Hello, Jaco. Welcome to our booth. More than welcome. And it's nice to have such an important partner of us, GoodWe, here. So, how was the show so far?
Well, thank you very much. Thanks for inviting me. I think this year the show was definitely better than last year. I think that the new location has eliminated walk-ins that is maybe not related to the industry.
Yeah.
So people that come here came here for a specific reason. So that's definitely much better. I think in terms of the traffic, it was maybe slightly less. GoodWe's plan this year was not to show anything coming soon, so we only displayed our products that's currently available and that's currently making an impact in the market.
Yeah.
And I think having those conversations with the customers and installers, knowing that they can buy these things now, is totally different than a lot of the other suppliers that's here.
Okay.
They show this futuristic stuff that's not ready yet. So for us, very good. And yeah, I think next year's going to be even better.
I think it was fantastic to see that we have really the booth very close to each other. Yeah.
Yeah,
And we were as neighbors, exactly. And we were walking from one booth to the other and sharing also the customers on that. I think it was really a great relationship. So, thanks for that.
Well, IBC has been a long time GoodWe partner. I mean, on the global front, in Europe, we are very strong allies. In South Africa, you've been with GoodWe from the beginning. So it's always a strong partnership. I think there's also a push from the entire team to work closer together,
Yeah.
collaborate
Yeah.
more, attack the bigger projects. GoodWe's new product set developed in the last 2 years are more suited for the South African market.
Correct. Yeah.
So obviously we want to increase our business in IBC,
Yeah.
and I think now we're in the position to do it for this market as well.
Great. Jaco, anything else you would like to add to that? So, a special direction of a product or a certain segment?
Yeah, so you guys displayed our new GT series, which is an upgrade from the HT.
Okay.
So look, it is an on-grid inverter. It's a 125 kilowatt on-grid inverter. When it comes to on-grid inverters, the technologies are very similar.
Yeah.
But what really stands out for GoodWe is the quietness of this inverter. So 50% noise reduction,
Yes.
number one. And the other thing is, which is very relevant for South African market, is the high temperature coefficient. So GoodWe only starts derating at 45 degrees ambient temperature, which typically in Europe or in other countries doesn't mean too much.
Yeah.
In South Africa, that's very relevant.
I can underline that. I've heard that a lot of the talks with the customers. So therefore, it's the right attraction and the right direction you're going for that.
Perfect.
So thanks again.
Thank you very much.
All the best. See you
Same
next
to you
year.
guys.